그렇게 막.
This wire gate has recently built up because the activists and the chairman, Mr. Ju Byung-jun, was guiding many people within this military field area. So the military just set up this wire gate recently so that they cannot freely go within.
그 안에 그 나무도 끊는.
How often do they have military exercises here?
저기 군사훈련을 얼마나 이 안에서 많이 하네요.
여기 가면 온갖 훈련장들이 온갖 모든 포를 쏠 때 훈련장들이 다 돼 있어요.
아예
근데
여기도,
1년에
여기 지금 새길도 다 이렇게 이런 거로 막아놨잖아.
이렇게
공식
그러니까 여기를 아예 민간인 못 들어가게 해놓으니까.
all various military training is happening here, and then 뭐라고 해야 되나?
네. 국방부의 원래 공식적으로는
예.
1년에 180이에요. 1년에 반을
예.
훈련하도록 지네들은 계획을 짰는데
예.
그런데
예.
정확하게 어느 정도로 하냐 했더니 수시 훈련이 있기 때문에 사실은 연중 한 3분의 2면 훈련 3분의 2 연 한 200, 한 3, 40일은 훈련한다고
So the military says that the official training date is about 90 days, but in reality it is more. So when the chairman asked to the military, for how many days you are doing the military training, and then he said that open times. So he guessed about 2/3 of the year, so about 200 days are given to the military training. And sorry, he was also saying that as you see this wire gate, all the narrow paths are now, being built with this such like wire fences as well. Yeah. So the military is trying to eventually block this area from any civilians, visit.
그래서